I'm Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and this is what I say about food. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you about Cactus Melon's spaghetti squash. Now, these are the spaghetti squash that we've been getting up here for quite some time. This is the brand name that we get at a lot of our grocery stores here. It's Cactus Melon. These spaghetti squash, I've done a whole bunch of recipes with these bad boys this week. I think I've been through 6 of these guys. And we wanted to talk about them. Mom, what did you think of these melons? Cactus Melon spaghetti squash.
I think they're superb. Absolutely superb.
They are the nicest spaghetti squash I've seen that I've actually worked with.
Really delicious.
The inside strings are fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know. Here, we have leftovers from these. We did these giant stuffed spaghetti squashes with sausage and, stuffing and stuff. What else did we do? We're making ricotta and spaghetti squash.
Lovely soup.
Yeah, we made this roasted spaghetti squash soup. We're gonna do spaghetti squash and ricotta stuffed ravioli tonight. Anyway, I wanted to just give a shout out to Cactus Melon spaghetti squash. This is what they look like. When you cut them open, they're like regular squash. You take out the seeds and the innards. And then when you roast them or you cook them and you take the flesh out, it comes out like big long spaghetti strings.
It's fantastic.
It's the coolest thing ever.
So when we made the soup, we whizzed it up after putting all the nice seasoning in it and everything. And then we just plunked a handful of that, the long strand right in the middle of the soup. It was so good. It was like having noodles in the soup, but they were squash noodles.
Yep.
It was so good.
And you can even do this kind of squash as noodles, just like spaghetti.
Yeah.
Served with sauce in just the same way.
Yeah.
Super cool. It's a good way to sneak some squash into spaghetti for kids that they might not know about it. That works well.
And they wouldn't recognize it
Exactly.
because they just think it was spaghetti sauce on there, and they love their spaghetti.
That's right.
Children love it.
Anyhow, that's what these bad boys look like. I'm hoping we can maybe grow some in our garden this year, our own stuff. We're gonna try. But thank you, Cactus Melon Spaghetti Squash, and you can check them out online at Cactus Melon Dist, D-I-S-T, like distributing.com. Okay? Be at the bottom of your screen. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim, E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on ifood.tv/cookingwithkimberly and youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. And my site is cookingwithkimberly.com. That's it. That's all. Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.
Bye.